Introducing dRofus. Our user-friendly cloud-based software gets information out of people's heads and into a shared location for everyone to see. dRofus is a unique planning, data management and BIM collaboration software purpose-built for the creation and management of building information. Where teams start by capturing the owner's program requirements to establish room needs and functions guiding the building design. Through our ArchiCAD, Revit and IFC integration, we allow teams to validate design requirements against model development in real time. dRofus supports the construction of buildings by allowing teams to share their information in a collaborative platform, ultimately providing building owners with a comprehensive data handover tailored to meet their needs for managing and operating their facilities, allowing teams to focus more time on higher value tasks and less time on the mundane. Less time is spent coordinating the needs of multiple disciplines and sharing the results. Quality checking model design solutions against defined requirements is done in a fraction of the time. With dRofus, teams drastically reduce the amount of time required to create reports. So, whether your project is large or small, simple or complex, dRofus can be your single source of truth, providing a real return on investment from your first project.